Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of muscle building and uncovering some secrets that might just surprise you. Ever wondered how your body decides where to build muscle? It's a question that intrigues many fitness enthusiasts. Well, grab your protein shakes and let's get into it. This is going to be an enlightening journey. First off, our bodies are incredibly smart and efficient machines. When you consistently work out a specific muscle group, your body responds by strengthening and growing that muscle. This is a fundamental principle of muscle hypertrophy, but there's more to it than just picking up weights and hoping for the best. It's a combination of science and strategy. The body's muscle-building decisions are influenced by several factors, each playing a crucial role in your fitness journey. One key factor is genetics. Your genetic makeup can significantly impact how and where you build muscle. Yep, your DNA plays a big role in determining your muscle distribution. It's like your body's blueprint. Some people naturally have more muscle fibers in certain areas, making it easier for them to build muscle there. This is why you might see variations in muscle growth among different individuals. But don't worry, we all have the potential to build muscles anywhere. It's all about how you train and what you focus on. The second factor is your workout routine. Targeted exercises are crucial for muscle growth. If you want bigger biceps, you need to focus on exercises like curls and pull-ups that specifically engage those muscles. Consistency in these exercises will yield the best results. It's all about giving your muscles a reason to grow. Challenge them, and they will respond. Now let's talk about the importance of progressive overload. This is a game changer in muscle building. This simply means gradually increasing the weight, intensity, or volume of your workouts. It's a systematic way to push your limits. By constantly challenging your muscles, you force them to adapt and grow stronger. This adaptation is key to muscle growth. Nutrition also plays a major role. What you eat can make or break your muscle building efforts. Muscles need fuel to grow, and that fuel comes from a balanced diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs. Think of it as the building blocks for your muscles. Think chicken, fish, nuts, and whole grains. These foods provide the essential nutrients your muscles need. And don't forget to hydrate. Water is essential for muscle function and recovery. Rest is equally important. Muscles don't grow while you're lifting. They grow while you're resting. Recovery time is when the magic happens. Make sure to get enough sleep and allow your muscles to recover between workouts. This is crucial for long-term progress. Finally, consistency is key. Building muscle is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires dedication and patience. Stick to your routine, stay patient, and you'll see results. So remember these key points: genetics, targeted exercises, progressive overload, proper nutrition, rest, and consistency. These are the secrets to muscle building. These principles, when combined, create a powerful formula for muscle growth and overall fitness. All right, fitness fam, that's it for today. I hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more fitness tips. Keep pushing yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, stay strong and keep lifting.